quick too, before I forget, make sure you like and subscribe the video. Helps me keep me accountable, helps other people see my journey. We can go on it together. Thanks. Hey guys, so second run. Today is Monday, the 23rd, I believe, of September. Same thing, doing the run, walk, splits. Go until I feel like I can't anymore. Start walking, take a little break, and try the same thing that I did last time. Go for about 40 minutes to an hour, depending how I'm feeling. There's a little light rain today, so raindrops get on the camera, I'm sorry. So quick update, legs are feeling a little jello right now, even though I took Sunday off, but that's okay. I didn't think it was gonna be easy, but the most important thing is that I'm out here. I'm out here a little later than the other day too. As you can see, the sun is up already. Well, it's covered with clouds right now, but it's a little after 7 a.m. as opposed to running at 5:30. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, like I said earlier, I'm absolutely gassed right now. Definitely not keeping up with my first day pace. Legs are getting tired quicker. Definitely not going as far as I did the other day, but like I said, that's okay. Progress takes time. Just gonna work at it every day. I'll get better. I know I will if I just keep at it. So the most important thing is that I'm out here. I gave myself a day off in between, so I'm rested. Got 7 hours of sleep last night. Luckily, my baby slept from 11 to 6 o'clock this morning, which is crazy. Was able to put her back to bed before I came out here. So it's a little things. Like I said, slowly but surely getting better, and that's the most important thing. Oh, all right, guys, let's get it. Wow, so definitely raining a lot harder than it was earlier this morning. But honestly, it feels kind of good. Breeze feels nice, rain feels good. Happy to wear my raincoat. Go Bills. Big Monday Night Football game against Jacksonville. I don't know who's going to be watching this, but who do you think is going to win? As always, I got my money on the Bills. Bills Super Bowl champions 2025. I'll die on that hill every year. And they got to win eventually, right? Before my lifetime ends. But yeah, so I don't know if you can tell how much it's raining or if you can see any drops. But I'm just happy to be out here. No excuses. I could have very well easily said it's raining. I'm not going to go outside today. I'm not going to run. I'll skip another day. But can't let that happen. If you want it, you're not going to quit. No excuses. I'm out here. That's all that matters. Whether I'm going slower or faster or the same, I'm still out here getting better. So let's get it, boys and girls. Whoever's watching, if anybody's watching. One day, right? All right, so I just got home from the run. I'm recording this inside my house because it was pouring the whole time. I just didn't want to mess up my phone because that's what I'm using to record. So, like I said, rainy day, but no excuses. Happy I got out there and did that. And everyone who made it to this point, thanks for watching. And like I said, like and subscribe. Thanks.